Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life and give you the simple steps to becoming your highest and best self. You know, I'm so proud of Alice, my client. She came to me a year ago looking for a big change in her life. She was looking for a change that was going to allow her to have a business that provided for herself and her family, and that was self-managing, meaning she didn't have to do all the work, and she also wanted to start a family. So I'm so proud of her, because I have to report that not only has she created a self-managing business within 12 months, meaning she wasn't working 12-hour days anymore, she was working 3.5-hour days, and not only has she been able to carve out time for herself and make time to do things that she loves, doing the creative aspects of her business, but she's also started a family just recently. So I'm so proud to say that she stepped up, she did what she needed to do, she reevaluated her life, and because she reevaluated her life and her situation and realized the things that she can do to make changes through the work that we did together, through the coaching, she changed her life forever. And that is so powerful, because when we reevaluate things, we realize what's in our way. And it has nothing to do with anybody else and what's outside of us. It's changing what's in here. She had to change her mindset. She had to change what she perceived as limiting. She had to do different things and think differently. She had to stop doing old things, start doing new things. I mean, it was such a fun journey, and it's still going to continue. But the thing is, it started in here. And most times we think that things need to change outside of us. We're hoping and waiting and working and waiting and hoping that things will change, and wondering when something is going to change in our lives and somebody will change something or they will change. That doesn't work. We need to change the way we perceive things. When we evaluate what's going on and see how we can do things in a better way, and we start thinking differently, doing different things, things change. Honestly, I would not be here making these videos for you today if I didn't, 8 years I didn't say, hey, what's going on in my life here? I was fired from a job, first time ever. I'm always first hired, last fired. I was fired, and that was the kick that I needed, because it pushed me towards doing what I love, which is teaching, training, coaching, studying, learning, and bringing the best bits of information to you and the world so that you can be your highest and best self. So if you can stop just for a moment and reevaluate and evaluate your life and look at things, and you'll actually realize that everything is working out. When you look back, you'll realize that everything is working out for you. It has been working out for you all along. You don't need to wonder if things are going to get better. They will. You just have to trust that and know that and believe in that and believe in yourself. I know that's difficult. I say it, but if you can believe in yourself and believe in your potential and what you're doing, then you will move forward and you will start seeing evidence of what you're looking for. I mean, if you're looking for something, you will find it. If you're looking for a new house in a neighborhood, you will find it. You have to do the same thing with the things you want in your life. Look for them, move towards them, evaluate, reevaluate, and if you need to, process things, eliminate, delegate. That's the way you move through life. You just get things out of your way in here, in your mind first. It takes work. If you're not sure how to do this, and if you have a business and you want to grow it, I can help you with that. We'll have a conversation. But if you're not, you're going to have to do some research, watch some YouTube videos. There's many out there that you can learn from how to reevaluate your life and look at things differently. So hopefully you got value out of this. And if you did, leave a comment below. Let me know, because I'm studying and learning, and I want to bring the best to you and help you become a better version of yourself. Just like Alice became a better version of herself. You can do it, and I'm so proud of her. And I'd love to share the same thing with you if it makes sense. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check it out. Leave me a comment, let me know, or even a like, and that way I know I'm providing awesome value to you. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.